Good morning Year 3 and welcome to your maths. It's Monday the 20th of April. Welcome to your maths lesson today. This week in maths we are going to be focusing on your multiplication skills. So each day we're going to be building up your skills and over the week, and by the end of the week you should be really strong at your multiplication. So today's lesson is not the most challenging, I'll be really honest, but it's really key in understanding and that you really understand today's lesson so that we can build up the skills over the week. So today's lesson is all about multiplying a whole number by 10, and there are some steps that you need to remember. So the first step is to place a 0 next to the unit. So in your first set of 10 questions, the first question which we will do together is 57 times 10. So 7 is the unit, as we know, 50 is the 10, 7 is the unit. So I've underlined 7 just for me, and I've added a 0 so that I know 57 times 10 is 570. So I have placed a 0 next to the unit. I then remember that that has moved things on so that the 50 becomes 500, the 7 units become 7 tens, which is 70, and then there are no units at the end. So everything has moved up one place in our place value, so that now 57 is 10 times bigger. Let's just practice that again with the next one, which is 45 times 10. Now the first step is to identify your unit. In this case it's the 5. 4 tens is 40, 5 units is 5. We are going to put the 0 next to that, and then everything will move up a place in our place value, so that the 40 times 10 becomes 400. It's moved up a place. And 5 units then becomes 50, because 5 times 10 is 50, and we have the 0. So have a go at the rest of the 8 independently, using exactly that method. It's also written on the top of your sheet for you to go step by step. You then have some word problems for you to do. So the first one, there are 19 friends and they each have 10 apples. How many apples are there altogether? So we would know that that question is asking us to do 19 times 10. I know that 9 is the unit in that, so I'm going to add the 0 next to the 9. Therefore I know that the 110 in 19 has moved, so 10 times 10 is 100, so it becomes 100. That the 9 is times by 10, so it becomes 90. So the number becomes 190. Of course, as always, there is mastery challenges set for you too, and you also have the warm-up which you should be getting quicker at, and time yourself every day and see how quick you can get. So that is today's maths, and I will see you back here in my hallway classroom tomorrow for some more multiplication. That is going to be a bit more challenging than today's. Have a lovely day, stay safe, bye.